We're going to undo and take off the reservoir, alright, brake cylinder reservoir. So what we need to do, usually there should be a bolt through here, okay, so we undo our bolt. What we then do, once we've undone that bolt, we just gently lever up. It may take a little while and come out. So reservoir is just held in by 2 rubber seals. Alright, so go do that first. Take the rubber seals out, so you'll have your cap, reservoir and the 2 seals, okay? And then I'll show you what to do next. So what we have to do is undo this way and this way, so you can understand how it goes back together. So basically what we should have now is the cap, reservoir cap. We should have the reservoir bottle and our 2 there. We happy with that?
Yep.
Alright. What the next thing is we have to do then is see this pin on this side. See the pin in there, in that part? We have to take that pin out. Now when we take that pin out, this end here is going to come out. So we have to be very careful. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can set it up next to your vise. So when and I'll get you pointy nose pliers. So we use pointy nose pliers to take out the pin, and then our internal components will come out. So we put it against something solid like a vise. That way it can't shoot out and fly out anywhere. We okay with that? Yeah. We understand? Yes. So set the vise up here first. I'll get some pointy nose pliers. Now we've only got 3 of them, so you're going to have to share. So now what we're going to do, pointy nose pliers, we get in there, we clamp it down, one hand holding the master cylinder, one hand on the pointy nose pliers, and we lift up and compress, hold tight and pull up. That's what you're up to now. So we've only got 3 at a time, so take your time, be patient.
Down. One needed.
So if you need any help, let me know.
Why it's did you automatically put down?
The bench in order, organize.
It doesn't move.
Can I use these? Oh, thank you.
Everyone come over here. Down this way. Just takes a bit of time, mate. So sometimes what you can find is these can be in here and stuck.
Yeah.
So what we have to do then is gently tap on the bench and then they come out. Now, this is our primary valve. And what I'm going to do, who has textbook here?
Here? No.
Or no, in the classroom?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Bring your textbooks out after and then you're going to name all the components. Okay? So, but if it's a tandem master cylinder, we're going to have a primary and, say it louder? Secondary. Very good, man. So, that's the one inside there. So see that one all the way in there? Yeah. That needs to come out. So, see how it's starting to come out now?
Yeah.
Nearly out, eh? So then, we always have it the direction that we're pulling everything apart so we don't get things confused. And that's how it looks. And that's it.
That's all of them inside.
Oh, that's all the internal components, yeah.
Which one is piston?
What's that?
Which one is piston?
So primary piston, secondary. Okay? So now, because you're going to do this in repair brakes, so I'm just giving you extra information because you're a good class, you're nice and quiet, polite, you know your stuff. So now we can look at this. Once you've got to this stage and it's laid out like this, go into the classroom, grab your textbook and find tandem master cylinders and start going through and looking at the components while it's all apart. Happy days? Sweet.
You just stop?
No, no.
See how that comes out? So you're pushing on and rotating the pin. Okay, so I'll do that with you so you can set it. Yeah, let me have a look. So see, yours was still stuck in, so we can bash all we like on this surface, but nothing's going to come out because it can't go any further. So what we then did is just gently tapped on this part here to get this other. You see how that's starting to come out now? And there we go. Okay, so that's yours, good man. Alright, so go through. Ah, good. Well done. Now you know. Back in. This has to face upright, doesn't it? Together, that pin is lined through. Very good. So lay it all out nice and neatly on your bench. Okay, so what's this part here called? What?
Nice and gently.
I don't know what that is.
What is it?
Oh, here.
Oh, there. Here.
Yeah. Oh, this probably belongs here. Yes, sir.
Yeah?
I think so. And if it doesn't, then we'll get it.
You know, the main, you have
Esteban.
What's up? Koja.
Nicholas.
What's up, Henry?
Koja. Koja? Oh, fuck off.
See, look at that.
What are you doing?